Question 15 asks us what is the gradient of the straight line with this equation. For these problems we need to use our knowledge of straight lines, and just remind yourselves that straight lines are always in the form, well, straight line equations, it's useful to get them in the form y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, so that's what we need to remember first when we look at this problem. So if I look at this equation, 6y equals 3x plus 7, they want to know the gradient. Well, I'm going to first of all put it in the form y equals mx plus c. So if I have 6y equals 3x plus 7, you can see, comparing it to the form I've just shown you, I need to get the y by itself. So this times by 6, I need to divide through everything by 6. So if I divide this side by 6 and everything on this side by 6, I would have y equals 3 over 6x plus 7 over 6. And as you can see, 3 over 6, that would cancel down to be 1 over 2. And my answer is there, 1 over 2. For part B, it says what is the value of y at the point where 5x plus y plus 3 equals 0, where does this cross the y-axis? So again, I need to get it into this form, so it's y equals something x plus a number by itself. So again, I'm going to start with 5x plus y plus 3 equals 0. I want to get the y by itself, so I'm going to take away 5x from this side and take away 5x from that side. And I'm also going to take away 3 and take away 3. So that would leave me with y equals minus 5x minus 3. And as I've pointed out up here, the number by itself on the end tells me where it crosses the y-axis, so we're crossing at minus 3. For question C, it says, what are the coordinates of the point where the lines with these equations, x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 3, where do they intersect? So the first thing you need to do for this type of problem, I'm thinking x plus y equals 7. So what pairs of numbers add together to give me 7? So I'm going to start listing logically. Well, I have 1 plus 6 equals 7. I know 2 plus 5, give me that. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, and 6 plus 1. They all give me an answer of 7. So which pair of these numbers also, when I take them away, when I do the x take away y, gives me an answer of 3. So looking at 1, take away 6, that's not going to do it. These are all going to be negative until I get here. 4 take away 3 is 1. 5 take away 2 would give me 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So it's got to be when x is 5 and y is 2.